10:30, no later than drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think.
Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Welcome back to my channel. I am kashiajabre, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install and style this unit from Unice hair. So thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. I'm going to show you guys everything they sent in my package because they sent me quite a few goodies. So this is the unit that the box came in. Super cute. They sent me these lashes. They sent me another freaking makeup brush. I will never have enough of these ever. And they're super cute and travel size, and they come with the top. And this is something new I've never ever received, y'all. And I'm just like, what? And it's great quality. It's heavy. See, I almost dropped it. But they sent me this paddle brush that says Unice, and I cannot wait to use it. I didn't even use it on this hair, but I can already tell that this is a great quality brush just because of the weight of it, and it just looks really freaking nice. And it got this pink handle on it. Y'all know I'm loving that. And they also sent some wig caps, which I already used on my unit, and then they sent a elastic band for me to tie down my hair, but I already used that as well. And then I believe this is another robe. I will never ever have enough of these robes. This is just a silk little robe. I'll show it to you guys. This is what it looks like. It has Unice on the back. It's just this really cute silk robe. So yeah, y'all, that's everything they sent in my package. Let's go ahead and get into this video. But before we can get into it, I'm gonna need y'all to thumbs this video up, and also comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit if you subscribe, and if you lit too. And that's on what? That's on period. So yeah, y'all, let's go ahead and hop right into this video. Okay, so the main thing of this video is gonna be the styling of this wig. So I'm just gonna hurry up and install it. If you have not seen one of my detailed install videos, I will have one linked. But yeah, let's just go ahead and zoom right through the install.
Just say you will come through and chill. Just say you will come through and chill.
Tonight is on a island. It's about time for making up. Told you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? If you haven't, it's place on earth. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. If you haven't, it's place on earth. Take you there, take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, it's about time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself.
Okay, so now it's time for styling, and as you guys can see, I am creating a side part. I plan on doing a swoop today, so I'm just parting off these sections, and I went for not a deep side part. I guess you can call this a little deep. They're just right here. And then the swoop is gonna be right here, but of course I can't do that just yet. So what I'm gonna focus on is just flattening out the hair and flat ironing the hair so we can get started on the swoop as soon as I cut the lace. I decided to part this hair hair into a L shape. And I had to do that because this unit does not have much parting space on the side. I would say about 2 inches of parting space. So I had to make it do what it do, of course. And I just went for an L shape. Like I said, I'm just gonna go through and flat iron this hair, and then I'm also gonna be using some hairspray to lay this thing flat. I'm so excited for how this is about to look, y'all. I have not done a swoop in so freaking long, so I'm just really excited. I got hella inspired by an Arrogant Tay post that I saw, so I am just so ready to recreate it with this freaking auburn ginger color hair. I'm just living for these fall colors. I am trying to expand like my horizon and try different hairstyles and things. I am looking to start practicing on other people. I really wish I could take you guys as my clients so I could practice on y'all. But unfortunately, since I don't have a cosmetology license or anything like that, I cannot work in a shop. So while I'm practicing and things, I'm gonna be having to work from my house. So I'm just gonna be practicing on my family and friends and myself, of course. But I've just been testing the waters like these last couple of weeks, just trying new things, and I plan on continuing doing the same thing, just trying new hairstyles, trying new techniques, trying to cut. Hopefully I get a bob wig because I really want to try to cut a bob on myself. It's just so many things that I want to learn how to do so that I'm able to do others' hair, and I don't know exactly where I'm going to take that just yet, but I do want to start doing other people's hair just because I get asked so freaking much, and I don't want to just feel like I'm wasting my talent, you know what I mean? And the reason why I don't do other people's hair, or was a little bit skeptical about doing other people's hair, was because I'm not a very social person, and to my understanding, you kind of have to be a little social to be a hairstylist, because I mean, you can't just have people coming into your shop and you're not even talking to them, you know what I mean? And I don't know, I'm just always scared to meet new people. So of course being a hairstylist is just like really scary to me, or even just doing other people's hair is just super scary to me. But I don't want to waste the talent that God gave me. Like, clearly this is something that I am blessed to be able to do, and I do it very well, and I've been practicing for such a long time. So I think I'm just ready. Like, I don't know. Like I said, I don't know where this is gonna take me. I don't know if this is gonna be like a thing, like I'm gonna become a hairstylist, or I might start selling hair, or I might start customizing wigs. I don't really know where this is gonna go, but I do wanna just get more experience in this field, and to do that, I think I gotta start practicing on other people, because I can't just do hair on myself and just think that I know everything about hair. I gotta be able to, you know, try on other people and see if, you know, y'all get what I'm saying. I can't just base everything off of doing my own hair. I gotta try other things too. So yeah, I freaking love these flat irons. Like, they get your hair so straight, you don't even have to do too much. I'm about to clip this hair back, and then we're about to cut this lace off, and then we're gonna start on this goddamn swoop. Take these clips out, fix this part.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie. Share that heat of love. I wanna ride
Now what I'm gonna do is section off the piece of hair that I'm gonna use for the swoop. About this much. So I'm gonna section away all the other hair. Now I'm just gonna section off a little piece of hair from this side for my sideburns before I swoop this hair over it. And then I'm going to section away all the other hair. Okay, so I have all the other hair sectioned off. So now what I'm about to do is go through and flatten out this hair, but now I'm gonna use my hot comb to go ahead and flatten this hair out towards my face. Now I'm gonna go back through and flat iron all of this hair. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start to swoop this hair the way that I want it to go. Then I'm just gonna tuck this hair behind my ear. Okay, so now I haven't added any product or anything, but I can pretty much see where exactly this hair is gonna swoop. So what I'm gonna do is just take a clip, and I'm gonna take this hair, and I'm gonna just take a clip and lightly clip it right behind my ears. Now what I'm gonna do is go through with some Got2b spray and a small toothbrush and a comb, and I'm just gonna go through and really perfect this swoop and set it into place. So this is what the swoop is looking like. You just want to keep moving that hair, making sure you don't have any gaps in your swoop, and that everything is flat and smooth. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is release this hair in the back. And to secure this swoop, what I'm gonna do, let me move all this hair to my front, is I'm going to split the back hair into like a half up, half down type of situation. And then I'm just gonna take a random piece of hair out of like the middle. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing. I'm gonna take like a random piece of the middle of the unit. I'm going to connect these swoop hairs to this piece. And to do this, I'm just gonna use a regular hair tie. Now I'm gonna let all the hair back down. So now we have our swoop. Now it's time to go back through the hair and make sure everything is laying super flat.
Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.
Okay, so now it's time for baby hairs. So my first baby hair is gonna be here.
Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town.
I'm just gonna take my hot comb and push the rest of this hair back.
Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that?
And then I'm just hot combing these baby hairs forward. Then I'm just gonna take my tweezers and go ahead and start plucking some of this hair out.
Please don't pay that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty comes.
Okay, now I'm about to go in and cut this hair.
This is between us, it's not like a store, this isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it.
Now I'm gonna take my edge curler and go ahead and curl these baby hairs upward.
Damn, baby. Yeah. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that?
And then for this baby hair, I want it to be a little bit more of a stronger hold, so I'm gonna use my Got To Be glue. So this is the first baby hair, and then I'm about to go ahead and do the sideburns.
And the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now. When he tell the story that's not with, know they be lying.
I'm gonna tweeze just a little bit out of the front of these baby hairs, and I'm gonna do the same exact thing.
They wouldn't regret it, left me for dead, and now they won't dead it. Party still beat it, my niggas still eat it. Like you, they look like the garden, they eat it. Pillows all bitter, she's spilling the tea. And then Shawty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. I know that they at the crib going crazy down there with their head.
Now I'm just about to do the same thing to this one. Okay, so here's what we're looking like, so you guys can get a closer look. I am already loving it. Now it's time to perfect. This is my favorite part because that means that I'm so close to being done. I'm just about to go through, add some serum to this hair. I think I might cut some light layers into this hair. The serum I like to use the Paul Mitchell super skinny serum, and I just take a little dime-sized bit of this stuff and just run it through the hair. It just makes the hair super duper shiny and feels so good. I just love the way this makes my hair feel, and it smells so freaking good. But now it's just time to perfect. I am gonna bump the ends just a little bit. Give it a little curl, just a little bump at the end. Okay, and the last step I'm gonna do is add a little bit of makeup to this part. Okay, so y'all, this is how we're looking. I'm just about to put on some makeup so y'all can see the full and finished look, and I'll be right back. So y'all, this is how my hair and makeup turns out. I feel like a freaking complete doll. I am in love with how it came out. Like, I don't even want to touch it. Like, it just looks so good. But as you guys know, this hair came from Unice, so I will have all of the links for this unit in my description box, as well as a coupon code, so do not forget to go down there. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really hope you guys learned something. If you did, please do not forget to thumbs this video up, and also comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next, and also subscribe to my channel because my Cash Baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you can be lit too, and that's on what? That's on period. So yeah, y'all, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Oh.